It seemed like ever since the 2000s started, ain't nothing but weird shit been happening. I mean, it seemed like the normal times were the 1990s, and the weird shit started happening right after Y2K. I don't like the 2000s. I'm getting out of here. Y'all can stay. I'm getting out of here. So I went and hollered at my homeboy Day Day, and he knew somebody that was on eBay that had one of these used cheaper. That's how I got it. I got it for low. Thanks, bro. But everything happened in the 2000s. I'm done with the 2000s. It started going down here from Y2K. I don't want no more of the 2000s. I'm going back to the 1990s. You can't stop me. And as you can see, this is a one-seater. So it's only room for one person. Yeah, y'all can have the 2000s. I'm done with it. I'm done with the 2000s. I'm out of here. I told my wife I see her in 1990s. All right, so I'm gone.